What's wrong?
Somebody
What's wrong, Josh?
So now I can change the channel, right? One, two, three.
That corner. Well, why are you crying?
Yeah, go in the bathroom. Come back when you're done.
Did you
Stop
cry?
it.
You gonna stop crying?
Well,
Well, because you're crying. And you're screaming. Are you gonna stop?
Yeah, we don't do crying here. We put you in a room. You can come back when you're done. You need to stop or you're going in a room.
I've got no reason to cry.
One.
You gonna stop? Go get some water then. Go get some water. Go
You
get
gotta
some
stop
water.
crying though in order to drink it. I'm gonna put you in a room. Somebody should have had a nap.
Well, then stop crying. Have a sip of your water. Have a sip of your water.
Turn it the other way.
Whoops. There you go.